Quick, we need to hide!
This is Alexei and his family. In 2014, their home was severely damaged. Alexei's father was also injured by a grenade that exploded in their yard. As they had nowhere to go and little money saved, they were forced to stay in a half-destroyed house in the hope that hostilities would stop soon. It has now been 7 years, and no solution has yet been found. There are many families in Luhansk and Donetsk Oblast who, like Alexei's, have exhausted their resources and must now rely on others to survive. There are 3.4 million people that were affected by the armed conflict and are in need of assistance this year. Hundreds of thousands of them were forced to flee the region as their homes were destroyed and livelihoods scorched. Families and communities who stayed behind have been divided by the conflict's front line, the 427-kilometer-long contact line. The contact line severed people from critical health and social services, making it hard for them to receive medical treatment or to collect hard-earned pensions. The COVID-19 pandemic has further exacerbated their vulnerabilities, making it close to impossible for families and relatives living on the different sides of the contact line to reunite, or for people to access the services they so desperately need. The humanitarian community has been present on the ground since the beginning of the armed conflict, trying to assist those most in need. In 2021, 3.4 million people will need assistance and protection. Humanitarian actors will seek to provide urgent assistance to 1.9 million people on both sides of the contact line under the new response plan. The planned assistance will range from water and sanitation, food security, and livelihoods to health, shelter, education, and protection services. Over 120 UN agencies, international and national non-governmental organizations are going to be working on both sides of the contact line to help meet the needs of the most vulnerable. For the response to reach those most in need, humanitarian actors require $168 million in 2021. With the existing needs caused by the ongoing armed conflict compounded by the COVID-19 pandemic, the people residing in eastern Ukraine need our support now more than ever. Support the Humanitarian Response Plan for Ukraine. For more information, check the link under this video.